Hello friends, I'm your friend Manju and welcome to our channel Abhyas Jatra. Today is Sunday and I have decided to make my daughter's favorite recipe, veg sandwich. It is very healthy and kids' favorite recipe. When kids don't eat a tiffin or they don't like some sabjis, that time we can make variations in veg sandwich and we can offer them, especially on Sunday they get lot of time. That time we can make this sandwich for their happiness and it can be a very tasty food for them. For veg sandwich we need cucumber, potato, then peanuts, then carrot, some tomato sauce, cheese and breads. We can also make it colorful by using tomatoes, beetroot, and we can make it crunchy by using some shave. We can also use aloo shave for it. We can make this veg sandwich with the help of our kids also. We get sweet bread and sandwich bread in the market. Cucumber, carrot make it so tasty and healthy. And also we can give different shape to our sandwich. Crushed and fine chopped onion, carrot can give it colorful and different shape. Different vegetables make it more healthy, so we can use many vegetables in it. Capsicum, beetroot, sweet carrot also can be a part of veg sandwich. After filling vegetables, we have to roast it on tawa. We can use vegetables as per our choice, and even we can use tomato sauce, pepper powder, black salt and chaat masala also to make it more tasty. Kids always like this veg sandwich and we can make it very fast anytime, even not on the holiday, but when they ask us to make something different, we can make veg sandwich because it's a all-time favorite recipe of kids and it is healthy also. Anytime, even in traveling also we can make veg sandwich. So you also try at home and use different vegetables variation. You can make aloo sabji also to fill it in bread and then roast it finely. You can use butter or ghee while making this veg sandwich. It makes it more tasty. Kids also like sabudana khichdi. That is also one more tasty item. And methi thepla, which is healthy item. We can use fenugreek leaves, turmeric powder, chili powder and ajwain in it. Methi thepla is all-time favorite recipe of kids. Even dhokla of rice and dal, that is also tasty and fine recipe which we can make on Sunday, and we can take help of them to make it. So it can be a activity, family activity. They can enjoy while making it, and even as a treat also we can give them this kind of recipes. Suppose they are doing any activity, drawing or craft, side by side we can help them, and even we can take break, and in break time we can enjoy this kind of recipes. Methi thepla is all time favorite recipe of all the kids because it is too healthy and tasty recipe. Green chili and garlic paste makes it more tasty, and we can use it on Sunday, because Sunday we get free time and we can give time to our kids to make and complete their activities. That time methi thepla can be a good lunch even and breakfast recipe. So friends, you can also try this methi thepla on Sunday and complete your kids activity, and even you can take help of them to arrange the dishes or to arrange your dining table, and they can also take part in Sunday lunch activity, because all 5 days they don't get time, but one day as a family activity we can involve them, and it can be a nice experience. Kitchen recipes, one more recipe kids always like, that is dhokla. So we can make besan dhokla also, gram flours dhokla they always like, and we can make it at home using rice and gram flour. Chana dal and rice dhokla is most favorite recipe of all the kids. Anytime we can make it, but especially on Sunday if we'll make, then we can take part. Then masala khichdi, that is also kids favorite. Sabudana khichdi, that is also kids favorite recipe which we can try on Sunday. And even we can take part in their activities like drawing. We can encourage them to make drawings and even take part in kitchen recipes. If we'll encourage them in their activities, definitely they will go positive, and their creativity also can be developed. Sunday we can spend with our kids by doing this kind of their favorite recipes, their favorite activities, and we can encourage them by giving good gifts which they like. So it can be a good holiday Sunday, good activity day which they can spend with their parents. So friends, please comment on this video how I shared my experience, and enjoy with your kids on holiday.